welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, a great night. My name is Brianna and today I'm going over period help, my period experience, all that fun, juicy stuff that us girls, females, women, girls go through. I am gonna go into some of this stuff. First off, a little bit about my periods. Well, all girls are different. We all have different periods and all that. So normally how mine goes is I have a happy, normal, beautiful week. And then I have the pre-period week, which is I'm very hungry. I have like a day or two where I'm like moody and I'm like, do not touch me.
Do not touch me.
And more days where I'm hungry. Then I have my week of my period. And then I got normal week. So I'm like on a 3-week. And I think most girls are normally like on a 4. But that's how mine used to be like every third Sunday. And it'd always be like that right on. And so like easy to predict, but you know, somewhat a little annoying. I like to track my period. We're gonna start with that. This app. So I have this app. I'll show you a little logo. I'll put the logo on top because you can't really do it. But it's called Women Log. And I really like to use that. You can go, oh my gosh, no, I don't want that. So there is ads because I just do the free version, but you can keep track of like when your period is, when you have it, and then it will kind of track it for you. So then it will also kind of learn from your past periods and grow like that. So I like to have that to help me keep track because I forget and I don't like to pay enough attention. I am pretty picky on what like pads and everything I use. So I have allergies to a lot of like different, I don't know, whenever I use pads I just seem to have some allergies with them. So I've been very picky on how to change them, and I used to not be that way. One thing I used to like but I can't really use them anymore is using these washable pads. So this is like a large one and then this is a small one, so you can kind of see like the difference. So this one's a little bigger. I really like those. So they hold everything in. You just strap these to your underwear, and they're like really good and helpful. So I'll put the link to these because I got these off Amazon, and I really liked them. The only reason I don't use them a lot right now is because I keep like reacting weird to any kind of pad, and I don't really know why. So I haven't been using these as much, but when I didn't have a problem, I was using these a lot and really liked them. And they don't really leak as easy, and kept everything in. So what I had to switch to, I was trying to look at more natural, and I started using Lola. So this is not sponsored by Lola in any way. So you can get these online. This is like $10 per box, and you can mix and match stuff. But I also know you can get it from like Walmart or other stores now. So what I do is I get a box of the ultras, the regular, and then of their different kind of pads. So you have like the heavy, the regular, and then ultra thins. So I'll go over everything I use. So I like to get the heavy. These are ones I use on normal days and through most of my period, and I really like those. And then I also use the regular tampons, and those are like when I'm like ending, and I'll use those a lot. So I'm not gonna open up their stuff, but it's just like a normal one. You like pull it out and then you push it up. So I really like the Lola just because they're 100% organic, not have a lot of other extra chemicals, and I really like actually just having them shipped because then I never forget, and I always have them and they'll just like come and all that. So I've really enjoyed those. So I use the pads depending on, I don't really use the pads that much. I am mostly, if I know I'm gonna have a heavy night, I'll put one on, and then also if like I'm gonna be gone at an event all day, I'll do that so with any leaking. But for the most part, I just use these thin liners and then just trade out through the day. So I'd say I have a pretty heavy period. I do know people that have worse, but for the most part, switching out the tampons every like 2 to 3 hours, and then the liners as well, just really help, and I am like good with those. Which that's a whole new like routine I've had to do. So next, we'll go on to the wretched cramps. Now, my mama doesn't get no cramps, which makes me very sad, but I get cramps and my sister gets cramps, so The thing I found, because I don't like to take a lot of like medication when I have those, I get them so bad that I like was taking a lot of ibuprofen, but I try not to now. If I can avoid it, I'll take Tylenol. But what I found is you actually just these like little toe warmers you can get. I got a whole big box off Amazon, so I'll link them below. You pull them out. It comes with like 2. You just open it up, shake it a little bit, and then put on your stomach. I used to use some other ones that my mom had, and I think they were older, so they didn't get as hot. These ones get pretty hot, so you actually need to put some like cloth or something underneath. But they're really nice because they'd stick. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But these help with cramps so well. Just don't put them right on your skin because they will start to burn. So be careful with that. Okay, so some other tips behind this that really have helped. Can we just mention that chocolate actually helps women out with the cramping the period thing? They can say whatever they want that it's not, but I honestly am a true believer that when you get chocolate, actually if you look up the research, is it actually, there's like all this proof that chocolate has the chemicals and everything you need. So chocolate, always have your chocolate, you know, eat it. If you're feeling like you need some chocolate and you're being hormonal, it will help. Other things that have really seemed to help lower my cramps and help my periods go smoother is eating healthy, drink a lot of water, and exercise. I really realized when I'm like all around like living a healthy lifestyle that my cramps are not as bad or non-existent. My periods seem to be like more normal and like more normal and consistent and all of that. So living an all-around healthy lifestyle as well is very, very helpful. So that's something I recommend to everyone is be healthy, live healthy, do all that stuff, and you'll be happier. So doing all this stuff. But if you have any period questions, if this is like your first, you haven't started yet and you have questions, let me know down below your questions. Or you can also please send me a message over on my Instagram. That's Brianna_Jo_S, and I will try to answer them all there, you know? Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down by that button. It'll mean so much to me and it'll help me keep creating all these videos for you. So let me know what other videos you want me to see down below and I will do them for you. But as always, have a great day, great night. Bye, love you.